Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this exponential problem, that is x square minus 4 by x plus 2 equal 4, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So first, in numerator, I'm going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So first convert this numerator in terms of a square minus b square. So 4, I can write it as 2 square. Now we can write this in terms of this identity as x plus 2 times x minus 2 by x plus 2 equal 4. Now we can simply cancel out the numerator and denominator x plus 2. So what is left? X minus 2 equal 4. So to calculate x, we have to shift this negative 2 to other side. So it becomes positive 2 and the value of x is 6. So let's verify this. X square minus 4 by x plus 2 equal 4 or not, when x is equals to 6. So it's 6 square minus 4 by 6 plus 2. So it's 36 minus 4 by 8. So it's 32 by 8, which is equals to 4. So LHS is equals to RHS. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.